Hello, welcome. Emily here. And today I'm going to speak briefly on the Schumann Resonance and share with you how this is generated using these weighted tuning forks. So the Schumann Resonance is part of, just as we are bioelectric beings, the Earth is a bioelectric being. And electricity is actually generated in the earth through lightning strikes. And you can also refer it to as electromagnetism, right? We all have an electromagnetic field that extends from our bodies, and so does the earth. And the earth, it's located in the ionosphere of the earth, and it's measured to be at 7.83 hertz. And what we're finding, and many researchers are finding, is that when you apply this frequency to different parts of the body and fields, it can have a very beneficial and positive effect for our health and well-being. So I'll include the link of where to get these. So this pair is actually one of them is 54.81 hertz, and the other is 62.64 hertz, and the difference between them is 7.83. So really, any two forks with that difference will create that exact frequency. So anyway, I love using these on a daily basis. They're more of like a lower frequency, and I use them to really move through stuff that's stuck in the body and fields. They're really good for that, as opposed to the higher frequencies that are used to kind of smooth different things that come up for us. So in our energy bodies. But yeah, this is just a really beautiful tool that I use quite often. And let's see if we can generate the sound. Probably not, but I will use my microphone in the next video to capture this beautiful frequency, and in my future meditations. So anyway, that's a little bit about the Schumann resonance and how it's related to us and connected to us. How does it benefit us in our lives in that application? So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.